Alright, we're sitting here on a fresh install in Windows. We are going to first install R and then R Studio. So what we do is we go to this website. You can reach there a couple of ways by searching Google for R, C-R-A-N, and it'll take you to the Comprehensive R Archive Network. Once you're there, we're doing all of this on Windows, so we're going to download R for Windows. We are going to go ahead and do the base. We're currently at the time of this download, the version is 4.0.4, and we're going to save the file. It doesn't take too very long. We're going to open it. Start this thing. Cut down our two windows, and we are simply installing R. Going to use all the defaults. I do want a desktop shortcut. Now that we've almost finished our install, you'll see over here on the left is two R with the circle behind it. It basically comes up in this R GUI. However, we're going to, and you can operate purely inside that. However, we're going to search. You're going to go over here and search R Studio. What you'll see is rstudio.com. We'll go in here, go for products. We'll have to slide down a bit, and there's a Pro Edition which has a lot of extra features, but there's also an open source. Choose your version. It's going to make me choose it again. Then it takes me here. Now there are many different versions, Windows, Mac, so on and so forth. We are sitting inside of a Windows machine, so we will save the file. It is here. Let it go through the install. I'm going to drop these windows down. We'll watch this install, and there'll be a icon show up here in the bottom left of my screen. I'll hit the finish. I am mistaken about the icon, but it is there. I thought it would put it on my screen. I could put it on the screen if I wanted to, but for right now, we're just going to call it good. May we update crash reports to R Studio automatically? Sure. So for example, if I just said A, you'll see that I have an environment variable here. I have the different environments I can work off of. I have a history, the connections, tutorials. I can go down here and look at my packages. Let me full screen this. I might want to install a package. So let's hit the install exams. Okay, so I'm going to install the exams package, obviously, because the whole point of this is to go through the process of making exams. It gave a big warning there. It said R Tools is required to build R packages, but is not currently installed. Okay, so we can solve that. R Tools. It says it's not available for this version of R. However, that may not be problematic. So now we have a functioning, a complete functioning system here with everything on it. Let's go ahead and stop this video, and we're going to come back and make an exam.